Do you see the format? Look at this. This is not a floppy disk. This is definitely a PDF.
I've been the same, ain't shit changed, this ain't nothing new. That pretty frame, diamond chain, what the fuck it do? Yo, clear the way, it's some bad bitches coming through. I get 2 F's like the letters that are on my shoe. Yikes, I play tag and you in for life. Yikes, you a clown, you for likes.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Esr. If you are new here, welcome. So in this video today, I'm going to be doing an amazing unboxing. I purchased 2 amazing bags from Brandon Blackwood designer brand, and I just want to show you guys how they look and my overall review of the bags. So like I always say, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into this unboxing. I've heard so much about this designer, Brandon Blackwood. He is a New York designer. He is from Brooklyn, and he has been designing bags since 2015. I just catched up on this brand this year, and I wanted to purchase some bags. So I purchased 2 of the ESR tote bags, and I want to show you guys the bags that I got. First of all, let's do an amazing thumbnail, okay? So when I received my package, the 2 ESR tote bags, they came in a regular cardboard box and the packaging, and then it also comes in tote bags. These bags, if you were watching my other unboxing, my Telfar bag unboxing, I keep all my dust bags because these are great bags to protect your bag. So they come with dust bags. First one that I got was the brown wax bag, and this bag was so cute. I'm a fan of nude colors, and you can wear this with about anything. I have a million black bags, so what better of the neutral color to pair your items with than nude? And it goes great. Look, it goes well with my skin tone. Like even what I have on right now, it goes great. I got this bag because I love the wax material, and then it also has like a marble brown. It looks like a denim marble brown, but it's a wax material. So I was thinking of if I accidentally stain the bag, because I can be clumsy sometimes. The material is great to wipe off or wipe down. Inside the bag, I'm going to show you guys inside of the bag. Inside of the bag, it comes with a strap where you can actually wear the bag as a crossbody. I usually wear my bag like this. I have a thing with little bags where I could wear it like this, and it fits on the table. Okay, this is a cute bag. It's a great aesthetic, okay? And I love the material of the bag. And you already know what it says. In systematic racism, period. Okay? Read the bag. It's giving what it's, okay? It's giving what it's supposed to give. Money's worth. The other one I have, I had to get a pop of color because your girl, okay? We got a pop of, I love this. When I seen this, I was like, I have to get this. I got the metallic green, okay? Stop playing with her. She is not one of them. Okay? Look, just look. As I said before, look at the material. Look at it. And I love the bags. They're so cute and little. I love that they're the little baby bags. Look at the material. Okay? Okay? I wore the brown one already. You can tell. But this one is fresh. I'm going to have to wear it. Okay? When COVID is over and mamas can step out. Okay? Completely step out. Okay? And yes. So this is the inside. I still have the paper for this. So it comes with paper inside as well to hold the shape of the bag, and it comes with the handle as well. These bags are so cute. Now let me just put it on for the girls to see, okay? So this is how the bag look with the hooks, okay? And then you can just hook it on you like this. See, it's really cute, and it stops right by your waist. So I like my bags to be up so you can hook them on to you like this. They don't have a adjustable straps, but I usually would, if you want it high like this, it hits right here, right at the top of the waist. It hits when you put it on. So see, it's like right here. So this is how it is. It's, like I said before, it's not an adjustable strap, so I usually knot the top. I don't think it's gonna mess up the overall design of the bag. You can also wear it like this. It's folded, indented, well, bent because it was packaged, but you can definitely wear it like this and then tuck it in here. Sometimes it's nice to have straps adjusted, well, straps with your bag. If you're a type of person that loses bags, I'm like that too. I lose a bag real quick. And then you can just boop, pop the strap, take the strap out, put it over here, boom. Same as for my nude brown baby wax bag.
Everybody, Martin, Poppy came to party. Grab somebody, work your body, let me see you want to stop. Everybody get on the floor, take the party up. We about to get it on. Let me see you want to step. I love it when you want to step. Everybody want to step. Everybody want to step. Be a this is. Let me see you want to step. I love it when you want to step. Everybody want to step. Be a this is. Let me see you want to step. I love
Feel overall they're small. Even though they're small, there is a lot of space that you can put in here. I usually, when I'm going out, I just bring my phone and my money. If I was going to need a jacket or anything, I would have a light jacket on. Sometimes you do need a big bag, but this bag is perfect in size. You put your phone, your money. I even have roll-up flats that I have that I wear when I go out. I can put my roll-up flats in this bag as well. Roll-up flats that you get when you go to a club and your feet hurt and you have the flats that you can just roll up in the bag. They can fit in here too as well. But these bags are definitely lovely. I would recommend everybody getting them. I know that he was having buy any bag you want because the collection is done. If you don't have one of these, I would say you can basically get them from resale if someone is selling them. And yeah, but these bags are so cute. I'm definitely going to be investing in, okay? Black owned, baby, too. And they black owned, okay? Invest in yourself. And they're affordable compared to other price bags. You get bags for $200, $100. I paid $80 for each of them. So 2 of the bags, $85, yeah. 2 of the bags each of them are $85 each. So even together, it's an affordable price. So definitely get yourself a Brandon Blackwood bag. These bags are amazing. I bought a brown one already, but I just can't wait to wear this green one. Awesome, 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 awesome. Look at this. This is not a floppy disk. This is definitely a PDF.
You see the format? This ain't no floppy disk. This is the original PDF.
Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did purchase any bags from this designer, please let me know what bags you got. I'm trying to purchase as many bags as I can, okay? Because I want to have a whole bag collection, okay, from this brand. But yeah, if you purchase any bags, let me know, leave below. If you have any comments, questions, leave them below as well. And what do you think about this overall brand? I love the brand and I think that you should buy a bag. Like I always say to you guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And until next video, I'm out.
talk, but they got no mouth when money bag talk. It's quiet. Quiet, ain't no back talk. Quiet, ain't no back talk.